Let me check. There's somebody at the door. A moment, let me check the door, okay? Hey, who is there? Hello? Yeah, who is there, please? Ah, voisine de tous les voisins. Ma propre best voisine, the neighbor. Ah, come in. Is it open? It's open. Yeah, come in. Okay, you're welcome there. Come in. My able neighbor is coming. Hey, voisine. Neighbor. Hey, neighbor. Yes, so high five. Hey, neighbor. Hey, c'est Corona. Okay, bisous. Any good news? Bonne nouvelle? Yeah. Le marché de samedi. Saturday market is open. No, it's now open. Yeah, so Saturday market is now open. No, so we can go and shop tomorrow. Yeah, that's all I came to tell you. Oh, le marché samedi, c'est open. Ah, ok. Ah, le marché est ouvert, le marché de samedi. Saturday market is open. Hey, so we can now go and buy fruits or vegetables. Thank God Corona is reducing. At least they're opening markets now. And then we can go and buy fruit. So tomorrow we'll meet at the market to buy fruit. Abi? Ah, okay. I'll be there, of course. Hey, I need fruit, so mama. I need fruit very much. So see you tomorrow at the market, right? It's Saturday market. At the Carrefour to buy the fruit. Yeah? Thank you very much. Sorry I cannot greet you. Yes, so no problem. Bisous. Take care. Bring the kids for us. Meet your husband. Take care. Bye. See you. Ciao. Okay, neighbor. Yes, so I will bring the kids for you. Oh? Take care too, yeah? Take care. Bye. Okay. My neighbor. Thank God for such neighbors, so give us information, good information. Yeah? Oh, start doing yourself. So that goodbye, take care, yes, so see you on Saturday.
Neighbor, ça va?
I know, so I'm okay, oh, no worry, I'm okay. Bye, oh, see you on Saturday. I welcome you all with peace and love. So you are welcome today for a cleaning technique. So today we are going to clean like a specialist. We are going to clean our home very well. But I have a question. Before I go to the question, I'm going to explain to us some cleaning techniques which we can really clean our home properly and stay away from most bacteria and viruses. So my question here is, which part of the house is the most dirtiest part? Is it the ceiling or the floor or the toilet? Give me your answer on the comment section below, please. I also have my own answer. I think the door handles are the most dirtiest part of the house. So I'm going to concentrate on the door handles and the door itself, to the glass and to the toilet. So those are the parts I'm especially going to clean. Yeah, these are the parts which we hardly clean properly. So in order to start, I need some towels like this. I need some clean towels like this, all dry. I'm going to wet just one of them, and the rest I'll leave them dry. I also have my water here for the glass. Can use anyone you like, or nothing is still okay. If you have this or you don't have it, it's still okay. Yeah. So the next step, I'm going to fold the cleaning towel and give it some sprays. 4 sprays are okay. Yeah. Well fold. And then now I'm going to start. We are going to clean now. Cleaning techniques. Okay. I'm ready. So I already have my wet folded cleaning towel here. So I'm going to start. the door handle and the sides. It is good to clean this every day. The sides around the door handle is good to clean it every day. Now I see it's already dirty. When it's dirty, fold it backward and continue with this side. All the doors of the house, it's good to clean all the doors, the door handles of the house. It is good to clean all the door handles of the house every day. And the sides, because that's where the hands touch. The window handles too, very necessary. Rinse it. Really squeeze. Fold again. Fold into 4. Fold into 4. 1, 2. You fold it 2 times and you have 4 sides. It is good so that when this side is dirty, you just fold it backward. Put your hand this way and continue. So now I'm going to add some spray and I continue with the door handles. On the other hand, it's also good to clean the whole door, but the whole door is clean once a week. You can clean the whole door once a week. Yeah, if you don't have time, if you're not so free, once in 2 weeks or once a month, at least every month, clean the whole door. The upper part, here up, you clean it too to take away dust particles from the top. Yeah, this can be done once a week. Yes, something like this, and your door is sparkling. The corners too, these sides too, many hands touch them. Yeah, these sides too, many hands touch them, so it's also good to clean from top. Yeah, to take away dust. Yes, because this is good to be cleaned, but make sure this is very dry. No water is flowing from it. It's very dry. Are you clean? Yes. Clean. Yeah, with a very dry cleaning towel. Yes. Clean. Yes, there too. Be clean with a very dry towel. And the sides of the door, very necessary. Yes. There's wardrobe handles of wardrobe. Yes, so I guess handles of the fridge and the deep freezers are also very important to clean every day. But this should be really dry, not too wet. Rest of the cupboards, very necessary to clean every day or every after 1 day. Very necessary. The door handles and their surroundings. Then once a week or once a month, it's good to clean the whole cupboard, at least to stay safe from bacteria, infections.
Mama, we need to press here. When you have to fall down.
You call it your microwave. You call it the door handles of your microwave, the door handles of everything at home. Okay, I think we're finished here. All the places where the hands are passing regularly need to be cleaned regularly. Make sure this is really dry, please, before coming here. Thank you.
So now I'm going to show us a special technique on how to clean your mirror and leave it sparkling. Really sparkling. With products or without products. So you can use any product. Laver vitres. Let's put laver les vitres. So we're going to clean out the vitre and give a good spray over there. It's always good to spray on your cleaning towel.
So to clean the mirror or the glass, I need something wet and something dry. The dry one is very important to dry it off and make it sparkling. At the same time, mirror. Let me clean my mirror. Like that, it's okay. And now the dry cleaning towel, very necessary. Just scrub through it for long. Turn the side. You need a dry side. Do you see it coming? Yes. It's getting brighter. I'm very short. Can I go right up there? Woo! So you can see, looks very bright. Yeah, looks very bright. So friends, I hope you are enjoying the show, the cleaning techniques, please. I hope so. Feel free to start commenting on the comment section below, please. I need your own techniques. We need to stay away from infections, please. So now, part 2 of it, I'm going to clean the toilet. I'm going to clean the toilet in a special way.
Touch.
Yes, we did it. Yeah. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.